This is Ziggy at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Ziggy, you big boy, aren't you? You say, why am I here? I want to be in a home.
Is it your haircut that nobody likes? What's the story?
What's over there? Hey Ziggy, could you look over here so we can see those pretty eyes? See that pretty face? That handsome face of yours. I'm sorry. Can't call a boy pretty, can I? I know. I know. It's not the same as having a home. It's very confusing, isn't it, boy? We do our best. Hi, Ziggy. See, that's such a cute face. Bye. Bye-bye, Ziggs.